This is Abhinandan. Today is 4th of June 2025. It's about 4:41 p.m. I just went to the printing and this is Abhinandan. So as I'm walking, I know there will be a traffic sound. As I'm walking, I'm going to give you a small presentation. See, it took a lot of days for me to identify digital printing here. Other places per sheet they were asking 2000 peso, that is 44 rupees. Now I took this, I'm going to one mall, new mall. I think it's called Florida Mall. And you know what, here I thought here I see some very tall building and there will be a traffic sound. But let me show you here. This is 20 sheets. 20 sheets of printing. Let me go to a mall and show. There are 20 sheets over here. So, you know what? Let me go further. If I'm not able to show the slides, if I'm not able to show the slides in this video, I'll show in the next video. Let me take a walk to that mall. I'm going in a new direction. I print out 20 sheets. So, first I will send the video to the local people here. After I send the video, then tell them to watch the video, and after they watch the video, if I'm meeting them, then I will be able to show on a paper. On the paper, I will show this full presentation and I can explain also. So, I'm going this side, a new direction. You can see the hill at the top side there. I think this Saturday or Sunday I'm going to one of the hill. Okay, one of the hill I will be going. I have told a drone person to come. A drone person for 4 minutes video I have to pay $30. 4 minutes video. Let me go further to the mall and then show you the presentation on the slides. It's about 1.5 kilometers. There's a university here, and this side is like a nice park. It's a very huge park. This side there's a road, this side there's a road. Someone told you can take a bus or a cab. I told I want to walk. So I'm going like this. So after 1.5 kilometer of walking, nearly 1 kilometer of walking, I will, some mall is there called Florida Mall. So I took a printout today. First time I taken, there was some error in the page size had not come perfectly. I had done it in A4. Now I did it in letter size. So this will be, I will convert later. First I've done the English. This is for English speaking people. Then I will do it slowly for Spanish words also. And when I've trained some 2 to 3 people who are motivated, like Abhinandan, who get motivated that they want to make daily $100, working for 2 hours to 4 hours per day. See, without working, you can't earn money. People, I don't know, they ask for the business, some join. That is why I charge 201 rupees. After paying 201 rupees, they give excuses. I don't know what they really achieve in their life, what they really do. And they don't tell also. I can consider them as my mentor. If they are earning $5,000 to $10,000, at least $3,000 per month if they are earning also, with a $50 business. With a $50 business, it's a nice park inside. They mentioned some national park. So I thought let me walk to that mall only and then show you all the 20-page slides. See, something you have to keep doing in life. Okay. Anyhow, I'll walk a little more and I'll reach that place, and then it's a nice walk. in the center of the place. Normal question here. If it was USA, they would question you. Why are you walking here? You're not authorized to walk here and all. Anyhow, let me stop right now and then continue over there with these slides. So coming from this side, the food court is again very much that side. So I thought I will sit here and I will explain. Okay, see, those of my associates, you have to spend some money. Now this 20 sheet, you take a printout of 10 sheet. You first explain to them by sending the videos. Okay, tell them to watch a 20-minute, 30-minute video, visit the website, read the FAQ. Okay, everything, so they get some idea, something. They get at least 5% they understand. Then you take a printout like this, a color printout. In India, you get it for 5 rupees. Okay, one A4. A3 will be 10 rupees when you go to the reasonable place. Now, each one is costing me 8 rupees or 9 rupees now. But this is sufficient for me. After I meet the person, I took one trial one. This came more nicely. Now there are 20 sheets. So this is the first sheet. I tell my name, this I tell I am giving a presentation in Bangalore for 270 people, my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Facebook page. Okay, these are for unknown people. Then I say I visited all these countries. Okay, do you like to visit these countries? Okay, now you know what here. Then I go to the next one. What happened? I charge for 61 minutes. I charge 20,000 pesos. Okay, 20,000 pesos I charge, and then you know what? But for you it is free, whatever it is. Then I tell what are the 3 main things I will explain to you. Then I talk about the decentralized. In 2009, for $1 you could get 1,309 Bitcoin. So one Bitcoin was in peso, it was 20 pesos. For 20 peso you could get one Bitcoin. Okay, today it is 437 million. You get an apartment for this. Apartment you get even for 200 million peso. That is $50,000. $50,000, 40 lakh rupees. This is about nearly 90 lakh rupees. It was 103,000 1,03,000 in the month of May 10th, 2025. Okay. You want to sit here? Okay. So the family was here. I asked that lady, you want to sit here? Okay. So I'm explaining slowly. Then I put page numbers also. I stapled this. Now page 5. Page 4. Then I say this is after they have seen 1 or 2 videos. Only then I meet them for a cup of coffee or lunch in the mall. There's another mall like this where the crypto exchange is there. I tell them to come with 2,40,000 pesos, about $51. So I tell if you work, without working you don't come. Sitting at home you work. You work for 8 hours, 10 hours per day. Here you work 2 or 3 hours per day. People are not working. I know them. Those who have joined, they're waiting. They're waiting for it to stop. Then they will stop all. Okay. This may go on for another 1 year, 2 years time. By that time I'll have made my fortune. And if you don't work right now, you won't. Earn daily $100 to $300 or more. So I tell them there is no admin, no company, no owner. It's a community platform like Bitcoin. I explain all these points. So you should have a pen like this. So you can write on that one over there. 100% paid out. Then you can say you get a free trip from my mentor. First trip Malaysia. First trip I'll give you to Malaysia, then to China, then to Colombia. I will tell you what is the target, very simple targets. So this I'm explaining very briefly sitting over here in this mall. Okay, so you know what? Then I explained to them, you give $51 as a starter donation, crowdfunding, just one time out of the pocket, space donation $51, space 1. Okay, then space 2 to space 5. Just imagine $31,000. $17,000 will come in level 3 in this. Okay, so multiple free upgrade IDs. From year to year you don't pay it. What you are earning you make in a matrix here, you upgrade here. So all this I will explain this in a video, Zoom meeting, all these points, everything. And this is from the pen from that Miami crypto exchange. You see, every time I used to take one pen and come. Miami money exchange. You get your crypto exchange here also. Okay, so invite donation is 20%. Those who invite, 20%, 10% US dollar, 10 and $50. So there are 3 levels. Level 1. This is once again to remind them and show them, and I can give them also when they join. I can give this paper to them. Okay, this is very clearly explained in a Zoom meeting. You should have the patience to come to attend a Zoom meeting. There are stupid people who pay the money and then they say I'm not interested. I don't care for them. Okay, so upgrade wallet, you have re-entry wallet, private wallet. Then this is what is the money you get in this. All this I cannot explain briefly. I'm just showing this is page 9. This is page 10. Some of you can take a printout from page 10. I will put your number and give like this. But till today, I don't want like Rajeshri to simply say, see, you should gather people, you make 5 joining. I'll sponsor a dinner for you for 6 people for 2,000 rupees budget. 6 people, 2,000 rupees. Okay, I'll make it 2,500. So yourself and 5 of your direct people, you can take them for a dinner after a 2-hour Zoom with me. You can take them to dinner in your city, in Mumbai or Calcutta or Delhi or Bangalore or Chennai or Coimbatore or wherever it is. And that offer is only, I'll give you a time offer that is within 7 days you have to complete it. Okay, 7 days you have to complete all 5 people. And I'll give you the deadline from today. Today is what? From June 5th to June 12th this offer is. June 5th to June 12th, the offer. 2,500 rupees for you to have dinner with 5 of your people. After they have joined, that's an average of 2,450 rupees like that for each person. So this is in space 2, what is the earning you make? Space 3. Sorry, this is a matrix earning. See, this is what the re-entry and all happens over here. Okay, I will tell you all these things later. See here in level 3, 1% joining in space 3, $625 you are getting. People are reaching already. You are all seeing the screenshot. People are achieving. Just imagine space 4, you are getting $3,000, 1% joining. 125 people will join in this one. 125 into $3,000 multi. Think, just imagine. 125 multiple times. Each person joining that time $3,125 into 125 into many times. Okay, it's a very powerful system. All 100% coming instantly to you. I do not know how unlucky a person will be to say he is not interested. Okay, how unlucky his face will be later. You should see him when we show the income. Okay, So now this is where this is on one level of earning. All this one time you won't understand, my friends. I'm just showing you. Page 13 I've come. Now I'm going to page 14. I'll explain all this, and this is very, very important. See, if you join right now in 28,000 rupees, I put you in a special level. See what it says here. Space 4. Space 4. 20 IDs. 10 IDs come back to re-entry 1. That time, see, example of C here explain. 10 donation of space 3. Space 3. 10 donation goes to space 1. 10 into 625, 6,250 divided by 625 divided by 50. 125 IDs of year will come over here and will come under you. And this will be a place where I will put people who take 6 IDs only. Okay, 6 IDs here. This is an amazing income. 620 here, 125 IDs in space 3. Here space 4, 625 IDs will come under this. In 10 seconds, 3 matrix will finish when this comes. And even if you're not working, you get this 625 means one time you're getting $3,400. See, you cannot imagine just like that sitting in a mall. I just explained over here the sheet just to show you when I meet people. See, now I'm forwarding to people the video. Today I told the owner's son here, I'll send you a video, you watch it and give me your opinion. 1 out of 5% may be interested here also. So this is based on network marketing. This is for 155 people in a team. This one you get only $385. Here how much are you getting? $3,450. Same number of people. So then this is taking 6 IDs. I have taken IDs like this. I have taken more IDs. I'm a greedy fellow to earn more money so I can travel. Okay. So now page number 17. I have done more pages. Page 18 what to do finally. Page 19. Let me move this. Page 18. Page 19. All the steps. I have told these people to meet me at Sao Paulo Plaza. Okay, we'll go over there. Then last sheet. I have made like this 20 sheet. You take a printout of 10 sheet. 10 into 5 rupees one sheet means 5 rupees one sheet is just 50 rupees. Buy a person a cup of coffee after they have seen the video, and second time again you tell them to come on a Zoom. Now today Rudresh is paid. I'm signing up right now. I teach everyone and make them independent. So I have taken 3 sets like this. 3 set is here. See here? 3 set. Because I will spoil this set, I'll write it on the sets. 3 set I have made. I'll take more set. So she gave me a discount. Each page is 400 pesos. It is 100 pesos, 2 rupees. 2 rupees 20 paisa. 100 peso. 400 pesos is 8 rupees. 1 sheet is 8 rupees for me. That's okay. 20 sheet is 160 rupees. That is after I meet the people, after they watch the video and tell I'm interested, I did not understand, then I'll tell them let us meet at where that crypto exchange is there. And I'm editing another video. So I'm stopping right now. Those who watch so much, contact me and speak to Abhinandan. This is Abhinandan here. So you have to take a printout. I'll put in your name and give after you have made 2 joinings. After you have made 2 joining, I don't want excuse givers. There are a lot of excuse givers, time wasters. Okay? More than 1 kilometer to come to this mall. Let me see what is there in this. There I'll sit and make a video. Abhinandan here. It's called Florida Mall. Florida Perico Commercial. It's a nice view that side. People are sitting and working on laptop also. And here I want to look at a place where I can sit and get the view of the mountain. Okay. There one person is reading a book. She is reading a book. That's a view of a mountain. Let me see whether I will get that view in a food court. Okay, and if I get it in a food court, it will be nice to sit, have a coffee. Oh, food court is down, not at the top. I wish it is in the top and you get a view of the city skyline, or one side of the city skyline. Oh, it seems to be quite big only. It looks very small. I will get some time what I want also. Oh, Claro is here. Origin. Let me go to another floor higher. This side extends to this side also. Here you get some nice view, but I cannot sit. See the view of that hill. You cannot get the beauty of it on the camera, but it is very huge. It looks like it is falling on you, but though it is very far. Okay, and those are houses over there, the poor people house. I want to go on this mountain also, but this Saturday or Sunday I'm going to one called Three Crosses. See, that side is the downtown over there. Wow, it is very nice. It seems for you dark on the camera, on the mobile. It's surrounded like this. Mediterranean is surrounded with 7 big hills like that. See, there one is there, there one is there. This side one, this one is sitting in the town itself. But no one goes in there. It's like a thick forest. Okay, this is a small one. Oh, here one mall is there. Wow, this is very big. Very huge it is. Oh, there, that side you can see one at the backdrop. Let me go around. I came to show the presentation slides, but let me. This is a two separate. That side. Oh, there's one more back side also. This is quite huge. See, the clouds are below that hills. You speak English? No? Okay. Wow, there you can see the cloud is below the hills. Oh, they have put a dinosaur here. I'm not even seeing it. There's huge dinosaur. I paid once 300 rupees in 95 or 96 rupee, 96 to see one like this in the Bangalore Palace ground. Okay, this is a huge one. I thought it was a very small one. Okay. Oh, this is stretching. This is my third building. Now I'm going to the fourth building. Very huge it is. I did not know and no one told me. Wow, this is what. See that backdrop is that hill. On that snow is, on that the mountain is there. So this will take a lot of time. For me to explore. Okay, everywhere see that backdrop of that hill. As I told you, it is on the camera it does not look nice, but it is very huge. It goes to many kilometers. So let me walk. Is it prohibited? I think for recording purpose. I think it is only for children, but I want. Wow, it is very nice. People are there also. How do they go there? I'll just jump here only. Oh, people are romancing. Okay, everywhere people are sleeping, romancing, kissing. Yes, some industrial area is there. Oh, this is very, very huge. Huh? This is one side view. This is, see, very huge hill it will be. Goes from there all the way up like this. There will be at least 1 lakh houses over there. Or at least 20,000 houses. And there is another one. So, Medellin is covered with 7 hills like that. Like you can say Tirupati hills, no? Like that. So let me go back here. This is like a block by block with open space like this. I have never seen a mall like this, huh? Block by block with in between a lot of open space. I wanted to find a nice place to sit and make a presentation. Okay, I cannot go that side. Huh? See what to do? I'll find a way. See, anywhere you go, Chinese one will be there, but I did not see Indian one. This place is totally covered. I cannot get the view. I asked over there. They told you cannot get the view. Okay. So let me take one full round walk and see where is a good place. There's an open area, but the backdrop is the mountain over there. But you cannot get the full view. I want to get. This is the second building over here. See that side. You can see the view of the hills. The back one is more bigger. There one building was there. This is open one. 4 or 5. Everywhere there's a eating place. Let me go a little further. People romance everywhere here. Came to another place. People having their birthday party, relaxing with that bean bagger. Since it is very huge, and I think I'm in the 3rd floor. Another 2 floors down. That is 1 floor and this is 1 floor. The dinosaur fellow is there. Neutralite. Okay, let me go like this. So from one block to another block there's a connection like this. I think this is a 3rd block. See, it will mention 3. This is not a very big hill, but there at the far end you can see they are very huge. So I'll be going over there. See there, I'll be going to one of those. Backside is the 3 crosses. There's some 3 cross on the top of the hill, and thousands of people climb on Saturday, Sunday. See that one? The cloud is literally below the peak of the top of the hill. A lot of houses. And even this side also. I am fascinated about this, but for these people it is a common thing. Oh, there's a cinema hall here. Any Tom Cruise movie will be there. I have no idea. Tom Cruise movie. Karate Kid is there. Thunderbolt. Tom Cruise one is the last one there. Mission Impossible. Okay. This is not my priority now to watch a movie. So there are many blocks like this. Block with open air. See, that is another one. Another view of the mountain with all buildings on top. It's very beautiful. It looks very lovely. So first day I'm just recording, first time when I come. Let me go inside the shop.